In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search eBay by image. This can be incredibly useful for those times when you've come across an item you love but don't have any details about it. Maybe you snapped a picture of something recently and are curious if you can find it on eBay to potentially purchase. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through this simple but effective method that lets you use Google to find that item directly on eBay. To get started, open up your favorite browser and head over to google.com. This search engine is quite powerful, and today we're leveraging its capabilities to do an image-based search. Once you're on Google's homepage, look for the camera icon in the search bar. This icon is your gateway to conducting a reverse image search, enabling you to use a photo to discover similar items across the web. Click on that camera icon. You'll now see an option that says Upload a File. Go ahead and click on this button. This is where you can upload the photo of the item you're interested in finding. Have your image ready on your device, and once you've clicked Upload, you'll be directed to your File Explorer where you can select your photo. Navigate through your files, find the image you want to search with, and once you've got it, click on Open. This triggers Google's powerful reverse image search, which scans the internet for occurrences or similar matches to your uploaded photo. Now here's a crucial part of the process. In the Google search bar, after your image has been uploaded, type in site ebay.com. This command tells Google to limit its search results only to those found on eBay, ensuring you're directed straight to potential listings of your item on that platform. With that entered, it's time to put Google's search engine to work. Click on the search button or press enter. Google will then display results that include listings from eBay, specifically featuring your image or closely related items. This is where you can explore and see if the item you're searching for is available for purchase on eBay. And there you have it. You've just used a simple image-based search approach to find an item on eBay using Google. This method broadens your searching capabilities, especially when you only have a photo to go by. It's a fantastic way to find out more information about items and potentially snag that next great buy on eBay. I hope you found this guide helpful, and remember, the internet is a powerful tool. Never hesitate to explore its vast resources to make your shopping experience even better.